thought I'd make another video. I decided to talk about speaking your mind and the way we deal with our problems, or how we deal with our problems, or more so that when we have a problem, we should deal with it whenever it comes up, or else it's just gonna it's just gonna be there within you, and it's gonna bring you down until you deal with it. I mean, yeah, it's good to be able to set things aside, and it's good to be able to clear your mind of negativity. But a lot of these things that you've been trying to clear your mind and get away from, they need to be confronted. And yeah, like I said, you're keeping all this stuff bottled up inside you, and it needs to come out. And it's just going to keep bothering you a lot of times. And it needs to come out. And just being able to deal with those in the moment, and also in the moment being able to express yourself, being able to speak your mind. An example I thought of happened, well, I'll just get straight to the point. Whenever I was in high school in baseball, whenever we'd come back from trips and stuff, all the guys in the back, they'd be doing raps and stuff, and I'd be hearing them doing their raps and whatnot, and I'd always think of these raps in my head, and how, oh yeah, that's a good rap, like I'd think about it, and if I would have spoken up and just started talking, then they'd be like, oh, this guy can rap too. I mean, it's not like they didn't think they didn't like me or something because I didn't rap with them or whatever, but I mean, yeah, I tried a few times, and I mean, I wasn't the best, but it's funny how in the moment, that first instinct you have a lot of times is a good one. And let me see if I can think of another one. That was just a good one to put out there. I feel like a lot of people could relate to that. But all this comes together, though. Just being able to deal with your problems when they come up, and being able to express your thoughts as they're coming, because even if when you speak your mind, it isn't all the way, you haven't thought it through all the way, you can still correct yourself, and there's nothing wrong with that. And if someone doesn't allow you to do that, then I mean, they should. And if they're not willing to accept the fact that, oh, maybe you didn't think that all the way through, what you had said, and you realized that what you said was wrong, and at least to an extent it was wrong, or that maybe there is also some truth to what you said, and that you can add on to that and at least correct part of it. That people should be able to accept that. And that was another thing that just came into my mind. I feel like this is really something that's been coming to me a lot since I've been starting to make these YouTube videos. Just the idea that I have all these thoughts that come to me, and I feel like I should share them. And a lot of times they just pass by. They're good thoughts and everything, and it's good for me to be reminded of these things, because a lot of these things I've already thought of, but a lot of times whenever you come by this idea again, you see it in a different light. And and if you just sit and leave it there, that idea, maybe you won't be able to express it the way you had thought about it in that moment. And I just thought I'd share that. That's it.